Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com templates to save over 7 hours every week. Monday.com is a powerful tool for managing tasks, projects, and workflows, and using its templates can help streamline your processes significantly. Let's dive in and explore how you can get the most out of these features, especially if you're running a Shopify store and constantly juggling marketing, fulfillment, customer support, and daily admin. To start, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the main dashboard, which is your home base for accessing all the features on the platform. It's where you execute most of your tasks and where integrations and templates come into play. Think of this like your Shopify dashboard, one central place where everything connects and you can immediately see what needs attention. Next, direct your attention to the top left of your screen, where you'll find a plus sign, this icon, of like adding a brand new system inside your Shopify workflow. After clicking the plus sign, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select the option labeled Board. This selection will prompt you to name your board. The board name is an important element that sets the stage for your certification tracker. It should be clear and descriptive, such as certification tracking or team certifications, to ensure that you and your colleagues can easily identify its purpose. Once you've decided on a suitable name, type it into the provided field. Next, confirm your new board by clicking on the Create Board button. Giving things clear names helps avoid confusion later when you start adding more boards and systems. With your new board created, it's time to customize it for tracking certification. Specifically, focus on adding columns that will help you organize pertinent certification details. Start by adding a date column to track certification expiry dates, which is crucial for maintaining valid and up-to-date certifications. Click on the plus icon located on your board, then select the Date option, which will insert a new date column. Once the date column has been added, click on it and rename it to Expiration. This title ensures clarity about what the data in the column represents, keeping focus on the timeline of each certification's validity. Very helpful when you want to avoid last-minute renewals. Moving forward, you'll want to add additional columns to capture other important details. Click the plus icon again, and this time choose Numbers from the list. This could be used as a counter or for numeric data associated with each certification, such as the number of attempts, scores, or levels obtained. The beauty of Monday.com is in its flexibility, so feel free to adjust these columns as necessary to best fit your specific needs. For example, Shopify store owners might create columns for training progress, security compliance, or employee onboarding milestones. With these foundational steps completed, you now have a robust framework within Monday.com for tracking certifications efficiently. This process allows you to ensure that all relevant data is accessible and organized, making it much easier to maintain a comprehensive overview of your or your team's certifications. By leveraging Monday.com's intuitive interface, you can always stay on top of what certifications are upcoming for renewal, as well as monitor compliance within your organization, giving you peace of mind and more time to focus on growing your business.